This might freak you out. If you sneeze too hard, could your eyeballs actually pop out? Well, kinda, but not like in cartoons. There's a rare condition called exophthalmos. It makes the eye push forward, and when pressure builds, like from a huge sneeze, the eye can slip slightly out of place for a moment. It's usually painless. Doctors can fix it fast, but it happens when the tissues behind the eye are weak. So no, you won't launch your eyeballs across the room, but a sneeze strong enough to move them a bit? Yep, that's a thing. Bless you. And maybe don't hold it in.